I'm making fresh pasta and fresh tomato sauce for dinner. These are my husband's tomatoes cooking down. And I also made fresh pasta dough with a cup of durum flour and a cup of all-purpose, 1 large egg to each cup of flour, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Kneaded it all together, covered it in plastic, let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. This is a bucatini die. It's cuts long strands of pasta with a hole in the middle. It comes with the pasta cutter my husband got me that attaches to the stand-up mixer. As you can see, the pieces come out for easy cleaning, and it's really cool. It's a lot of fun. I tried it once before. This is my first time trying it by myself. That's where the pasta goes down in the hole. That's the cutter to cut the lengths as long as you want the strands. And of course, that's the auger. I'm going to flour that as it turns. And that's the little plastic piece that you push the dough into the unit so you don't stick your fingers in there because it's dangerous. And that's the ring on the bottom to secure everything in place. So I'm going to let you see how I assemble this thing. Yep, goes right into the stand-up mixer. There's a slot. Pop it in the front and you screw it tight. And there goes the auger. That's going to go up in there. And there's a little square piece. There's the die and the cover. And I think next time I do this, I'll lay it down first. It's a little hard to get it on there. But it's really cool looking. And I'm going to set the mixer on, I believe it's 1 right now, just to make sure it's working. You can see it's a slower speed. That's when you push, the dough gets pushed into that. You flour that in there too to keep everything from sticking. Really a lot of fun, and I don't think I'm going to buy box pasta ever again. I'm going to make my own. It's a lot of fun. Make it just before you put it in the hot water, boil it, and you eat it for dinner. And I got some wax paper on the surface to keep everything from sticking. And pass it down. I'm ready to cut it into small pieces. Okay, so I'm cutting the pasta into small pieces, and the big piece sitting there is still going to get covered in plastic because I don't want it to get dried out. All right, so flour the surface, keep everything safe from sticking. And we're going to cut this into small pieces and feed it into the machine. And I'll let you watch as I do this. I also flour my cutting board as well. So tender and bright. It's the eggs and the durum flour. Oh wow, look at it. Slowly but surely it's showing itself. There they are. It looks great, doesn't it? It's unbelievable. Well, I hope you like it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Wow, these are cool. I guess they're getting long enough ready for me to cut. Wow, that looks great. Well, thanks for watching.